In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list of all countries in Google Forms. This is a useful feature when you want to gather data or surveys from an international audience, ensuring that your form respondents are able to select their country from a comprehensive list. First things first, let's make sure you have Google Forms accessible. Open your web browser and type in Google Forms. Once you're there, click on the first link to access Google Forms. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so to proceed. Next, it's time to create a new form. On the Google Forms homepage, you'll see a plus sign icon labeled blank. Click on this to start a new form. This will open a new window where you can start building your form. Name your form in the title field at the top. Make sure it's something recognizable and related to its purpose, such as International Survey, to help keep things organized. Now, let's add a drop-down question to your form. In your new form, click on the area that says Untitled Question. You can type in your question here. For example, which country do you reside in? Then, on the right side of the question box, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can change the type of question. Click on it, and from the list of options, select Drop-down. With the question type set to drop-down, we need to populate it with the list of countries. Unfortunately, Google Forms doesn't have a built-in list of countries to choose from, but we can add them manually. This step might seem daunting if you're not sure how to get a complete list, but don't worry, you can find a list of all countries by searching online. A quick Google search for list of countries will bring up several reliable sources that you can copy from. Once you have your list, go back to your form and click on Option 1 under your question. Paste the list of countries there. Google Forms will automatically separate each entry into its own option in the dropdown. This might take a few moments, but it's an efficient way to populate your dropdown quickly. For a final touch, make sure you set this question as required. This way, respondents must answer it before submitting the form. You can do this by toggling the required option at the bottom right of the question. And there you have it. Your Google form now includes a comprehensive dropdown list of countries ready for your respondents. Remember, Google Forms will automatically save your work, so there's no need to worry about losing any of your progress. Once you're satisfied with your form, you can share it by clicking the Send button in the upper right corner and distributing the generated link to your audience. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your surveys.